Hello guys! 1000club.com is a professional tool that needs to be demonstrated. It unleashes the power of communication, offering unparalleled world-class possibilities. It's the future of agile and impacting communication, bringing you total freedom with all options. Let me share with you the different types of publication available at 1000 Club, as well as their characteristics and benefits. Unlike of those of social networks that are catch-all with a single input field, necessarily limiting the presentation of information, 1000 Club publications are structured and very well structured, believe me. Structured pages enable scalable layouts. 1000 Club publications can't be compared with limited posts or comments on social networks. They are real pages for your website and can be seen as well by all users on the Hub 4.0 and or by selected users on their newsfeed. At 1000club.com we currently have 4 types of publication. However, we will reach a dozen different types soon. Thanks to the different input fields, you can create different layouts for your pages and modify them at will. All pages are fully interoperable. Another important characteristics: tags are linked to each publication. As you probably know, these tags ensure the matching of the interests of users who systematically discover exactly what interests them on their personalized hub and or newsfeed, and only what interests them, without having to search or click. 1000 Club publications open possibilities infinitely superior to anything you already know. The 4 types of publications currently available are Flash, articles, business profiles, private posts. Let's have a look at Flash. Here. It's a very simple publication, quick to fulfill, microblogging type, with a subject of 60 characters, a message of 140 characters, and a HD visual, image or video. Articles. There are more complete publications, blog type, which can be used to write articles, to introduce new products or services, to keep tuned your partners, your distributors, clients, prospects, totalizing 4,700 characters max. Articles are structured with a title, a subtitle, an introduction, and from 1 to 5 paragraphs illustrated with images and or videos. Business profile. This is a global presentation of your company, showing your main activity, your commercial promise, your mission, a brief presentation of your product or service ranges, and your values. All the data related to the nature and size of your company are included. Example of interesting data for your visitors: number of employees, turnover, export percentage, quality control. Are you a manufacturer? If so, what kind of manufacturer? Under contract, white label, OEM, etc. These data make it possible to refine the automatic connections. Of course, you can illustrate each paragraph with an image or a video. Let's see. I believe it's much better than what you find on the yellow pages, as your publications match you dynamically with exactly what you need. Private posts. In fact, it's a private publication with a title, a subtitle, content, and HD image or video. The main feature of private posts is that it can never appear on the hub and on your website. It's private. Only your authorized subscribers can see it on their newsfeed. It guarantees confidentiality. Only the members selected by your dynamic circles can see your private posts. Private posts are interesting to keep tuned your prospects, customers, partners, distributors, etc. For example, on changes of legislation if you work in the legal sector. As well, if you want to get the attention of your distributors, agents, customers, prospects, etc., with new products and services, exclusive promotional offers, events, trainings. 1000 Club private posts replace the sending of unesthetic emails. No need anymore to copy-paste text or creating mailing lists. So many unproductive and tedious tasks, especially since the number of email address is limited per mailing list when you send an email from your electronic mailbox. You cannot exceed 49 people per sending group. Otherwise, you will be classified as a spammer. This sometimes means creating numerous mailing lists. You don't have any more to manage them. No bundle anymore. You are obliged to use an external service specialized in sending emails. These services are relatively expensive and time-consuming. When you have a new contact, you need to resend the same previous important emails each time. 1000 Club provides a global solution of communication at the edge of technology and services. You will increase your productivity. In the next videos, you will discover the publication process for each specific service and how to send your posts to dynamically updated target groups according to your selection filters, what allows you to personalize your contents according to your recipients, therefore to communicate nimbly instead of communicating generically. You will also learn how to set up a loyalty program in a few minutes. Thank you for using 1000 Club. Thank you for your attention. I wish you to have an outstanding day.